Just a regular day at work for a crime-fighting duo.
Hello. It's not there. It must be the metatarcular cellular device! Hello? Yes, sir. Holy culinary villainy, Bunny. Banana Man and the evil carrot have stormed the church, and they're seeking vengeance for us eating their families. Quick. We have to suit up.
Now remember, Bunny, this is Banana Man and Evil Carrot we're dealing with. Banana Man stands 5 foot 8 inches. He came from a bundle of 5, but hasn't been the same since he fell from the tree. He likes wearing socks and has a particular desire for taking out monkeys. If possible, Evil Carrot is even more sinister. He came from bad roots, tends to hang out with the spoiled fruits, and is entirely unpredictable. I hate to say this, Bunny, but you'll have to face him.
All right, Bunny. So we need to make sure that we're extremely careful as we go in here. We can't take any chances, okay? No.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows, only time? And who can say if your love grows as your heart shows, only time? We gotta Who can say why your heart sighs as your love flies, only time? And who can say why your heart cries when your love lies, only time? We gotta
Students, I need your help. But bring your own guns.